you aware that there are any challenges? I mean, is there any?
Thank you, Chairman. What do you think the result is?
Between governors and deputy governors, and that has happened.
Each and every one of you and the member. Thank you for honoring me with your time and for granting. Am I a registered voter? I wish to confirm, Mr. Chairman, and to this committee that yes, I am a registered voter, as is demanded by law for this office of Deputy Governor, that I should be a registered voter and a citizen of this country.
No njuge ati report ino kiria gigakorwo gietereirwo ni igirirwo mweri igiri wa gatano. Mweri igiri wa gatano ni report ino ikaigirirwo whatever the outcome ya report iyo ikaigirirwo mweri igiri. Koguo na hindi yo ni reka debate riu ni bunge yothe ya Nyeri na nigetha tukorwo tukimenya mukara ni ekuhitukio aikorwo ni akaigirirwo ritwa riake hau kana ndekuhitukio na angikorwo ni akahitukio ritwa riake ni tukanengera the governor nigetha ariu amwamure ari deputy governor na koguo ni turehoka ati ni akehitithio kwa ihinda ritari iraihu na koguo tuge kiumia kia mbere kia mweri wa gatano county ya Nyeri ni gakorwo ina deputy governor